Welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to apply laminate to leather materials. This is because leather by itself may not be secure enough to the mat, and when that happens, cutting errors occur. Not to mention, we want to preserve the mat because the hairy side of leather ruins it. First, we're going to lay out the laminate. Once it's laid out, we're going to fit our piece of leather on top. Then we're going to trace the shape of our leather. After tracing, we're going to cut it out and then place it on our piece of leather. Keep in mind that we want to conserve material, so cut as close as possible. Then we're going to apply the laminate to the piece of leather and then smooth out the air bubbles. This is also so the material can properly lay on the CRICUT mat and prevent any leather fuzz from sticking. Once finished, place your material in the proper location on the CRICUT mat and smooth it out once again. For extra security, you're going to want to use masking tape to tape down the edges. Securing our material as flat as possible, make sure the blade does not drag. Dragging causes inconsistent cuts. As you can see, over time, the mat picks up material particles. This is what takes away the tackiness. So it's important to use laminate when working with leather. We're going to use spray adhesive to restore some tack. Shake the can well, spray in straight lines 12 inches away from the mat.